Hi, I'm Jake from Mackey. I came to Oral Surgery Specialist of Idaho for a full arch. I found the staff here very welcoming, very friendly. I came to see Dr. Jepsen. He's very professional, makes you very comfortable, very good doctor. The procedure went really well. Once it was over, once it's all said and done, you're back to normal, except I'm healthier and I'm able to eat the exact same foods I was before. It's like being young again, I guess. I would recommend Oral Surgery Specialist of Idaho to anybody.